So, nagkaroon po tayo ng technical issue. Sana po ay na-save yung video na yon. Napakaganda na sana nun. Tingnan natin, nagkaroon lang po ng alarm. 6-17 ang ating score. Vitores. Oh my God, the score for Vitores. 18-6. Mas lalo pa pong lumamang ang ating team. Hit me, and now serving Rosa, jersey number 23. This game is brought to you by MC Money Plus. Rosa is serving. Ayun, nagpo-post-post pa. Hindi pa natapos ang laro. Okay! Napakaganda sana ng plano ni El, but still, hindi nag-materialize. 19-6. Serving pa rin si Rosa, jersey number 23. Dalawa na lang, 14 hit me, at sila na magiging champion sa ating Team Magic One-Day League. Altomar, for an in! At talagang napatingin na lang si Alice ng Dominators. 26, isa na lang for, and it is a jumping serve by Rosa. Easy serve. For the win, hindi pinayagan. L, Tualos, Charlene to Vitores. Vitores for the win! Congratulations! And our champion for the One-Day League of Team Magic is Team Hit Me with the score, with the final score, 21-6. Napakalayo. Pagod ang dalawang team at hindi sumuko ang Team Hit Me. So yan na, they are now celebrating. Congratulations! Ito talaga. Hello! Hello! Congratulations! Hello, Che. Anong masasabi mo, Che, sa mga score kanina? Ayan. Congratulations! Hello, ang ating top scorer. At alam kong sana naman ang MVP na naman siya. And our best setter, Muse. Yan, congratulations!